This video will go through some navigation, visualization, and graphics control features of the icon field software. 3D view is available within any map application except for Sketch and allows the user to continuously check objects from any desired angles. In this case, a surveyor has measured a stockpile by taking spot levels and a surface has been created from them. The panning and rotation is distinguished by toggling the desired button from the map view, and resetting the position to default orthogonal view is done by clicking on the north indicator. To help the user to better visualize surfaces in general and also the structures of 3D files, these are displayed with shaded surfaces in the 3D viewer, so geometries like cubes and columns should be easily visible in the 3D view. For a better overview of the actual position against the selected design or surface, the cross-section view has been implemented into the icon field software. In this case, a connection to a TPS has already been established and the screen of the 7-inch controller has been split and set to the desired cross-section view from the view modes. All map handling functions, including 3D, are now available. The actual position needs to be within the surface area, otherwise the cross-section is not shown. Once the actual position reaches the boundaries of the surface, the cross-section view is then shown automatically as long as it is enabled. In the map view, the cross-section is represented by a red dashed line, whereas in the cross-section view, the surface is represented by a thick blue line, with the actual position shown. Depending on the solution, the represented cross-section could be created based perpendicular to the walking path or by a fixed heading of the cross-section. This setting is available as a toggle button from the toolbox. What we can see here is a different data set that is an as-built survey of a concrete ditch measured by individual points and a surface automatically created out of those points. In order to precisely define a surface, as it is in the real world, it is necessary to add a break line. In this case, it will be the bed level of the ditch. This is necessary to achieve the correct processing of the 3D model. After selecting the surface for editing, the access point for adding break lines can be found in the toolbox of the Volumes application, as a toggle button between the boundary and break lines. The break line is selected and created from the measure bar, and the points are chosen manually. A break line is a must-have edge of the triangle mesh net. Thereby, it determines where the automatic creation needs to be to create the triangle line. The break line can also be directly measured by the sensor. In this video, we have seen some of the view modes and controls in the icon field software, which simplify life on site or in the field and can be managed by any construction personnel. It is now possible for you to understand your site better than ever.